Hello guys, it's time for another video that's going to address the next upcoming week in the weather world. What are the temperature trends? Is there going to be a big nor'easter possibly on the way? We'll talk about it, but let's start off behind me. This is actually from my house, taken yesterday. Very nice pack of snowfall. About 15 inches of snow fell downwind of Lake Erie in the greater Cleveland area. A lot of wonderful lake enhancement with this storm. So pretty nice view there for all the winter lovers out there. Now we do have some winter that we've had over the last 12 to 24 hours in portions of Oklahoma that will break up. This system will look like it's weakening and then get a little boost from good old Gulf of Mexico with moisture. We're also watching a little bit of light snow and rain snow mix from near Lake Huron down across portions of northwest PA into upstate New York. This system will get its act together. It will move up eastward. We'll see cold air come down, but when do those two elements come together? Will they be able to produce a decent swath of snow? We'll see here. Models are definitely changing. They are definitely a little bit different when it comes to the different solutions. Otherwise, not really much going on across other portions of the country. So we need to look aloft in the atmosphere at about 18,000 feet to see the phasing potential. This is the vorticity. So you have two waves, jet stream energy from the south and to the north. As they come together, that's where you get your phasing. If it happens over here versus over there, it's going to be a big difference. It's all about the timing, and that's what's going to be really dependent on when everything kind of comes together to be able to pull the system up the coast properly. Now there's different computer models that show different types of solutions, and if it's colder, you're going to get more snow. If it's definitely, of course, warmer, you're going to get less. It all depends on the track of the system. So looking at models from Germany, Europe, Canada, and America, you could see definitely a lot of different ideas. But if things come together, parts of the Northeast could be looking at a major winter storm. We're talking the 1 to 2 plus feet variety of things. Again, at this point, that potential is certainly just as there as if it could be a 2 to 4 inch type event, just a small area. You could see though, this model has that area of snow up across portions of Maine into Nova Scotia. That'll continue to move off towards the northeast. Couple of lake effect snow showers for the Great Lakes. And hey, getting down south again with more cold air with a little bit of snow chance. Not much again out towards the west. Pretty darn clear there until we get into portions of the northwest going through end of the weekend or early into the early portions of next week. But again, this is kind of a break for the pattern. Really a nice little deserved break if you guys have been hit with some heavy rain across portions of the south or the bigger snow events across the north. Temperature wise, we're talking about generally cooler than average temperatures across portions of the east into the south. That warm air will stay up into Canada where it was very cold, and that kind of pushes the cold compared to average down further south. So that's kind of going to be our regime a little bit. We'll get some blasts of warmer weather. Definitely the main warm threats are going to be across the northern portion of the nation. Again, compared to average over the next week. Hey, snow contractors, as always, we appreciate you guys. We would love for you to be able to get detailed, accurate forecasts that are all about your operation, so you can be able to plan ahead and understand the true impacts of the weather. Check us out.